Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about the length of the process of you fully rebooting or rewiring your brain from porn. You know, I get guys reaching out every single day now asking me about how long till I see the benefits, how long until I'm fully rebooted, how long till I'm finally over pornography. And unfortunately, I'm going to give you the answer that you probably don't want to hear. Because there's no set time frame, there's no set formula. So many variables, so many factors go into this to determine how long it's going to successfully take you to reboot from porn. But I can tell you one thing, you can't ultimately transform your life in one day with a decision. You can't ultimately overcome your addiction to porn in a single moment, a blurb of a time period, a blurb of a time frame, an instant. That's all it takes is once you make the decision, we had the tools to help you successfully reboot and overcome your addiction to porn. But in terms of like, is there a set time frame of when you start our program to when you begin to experience the results? Unfortunately, no. Is there a set time frame that if I told you if you followed these 12 steps for the next 18 weeks or for the next 18 months, would I be able to give you a definitive time frame? Unfortunately, no. We're human beings. We're all unique individuals. We have so many unique characteristics about who we are, about our attachment to pornography, about our history and our past experiences and our past traumas that have led us down this path of being addicted to porn. So to say I'm gonna give this a shot for 30 days or I'm gonna do this for 90 days and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna give up because it just doesn't work. That's a negative mindset. And I think that's ultimately what it comes down to here at Rebuild Recovery is we want to change the way we view ourselves. We want to change the way we view our attachment to pornography. We want to change the way we view how we show up in the world. Because ultimately, if you're going to overcome your addiction to pornography, you have to become the person that's no longer addicted to porn. So how long does it take to reboot? Well, in one instant, it takes a moment. It takes the time period for you to make a decision to ultimately change your life. So in one instant, it takes no time. And then in the second instant, this is going to be a process that you're going to have to continue to work on and develop and build yourself for the remainder of your life. You've had this attachment to pornography. You've had these triggers that have led you down this destructive path for however long, call it months, years, sometimes decades for some of us. Do you think that just going through a transformation process is going to make all that disappear? No, porn is going to exist in the world. Unfortunately, probably for the remainder of our life on this planet. So you're not going to be able to run and hide. You have to begin to develop yourself as the person that no longer needs porn in their life. You have to continue to develop a life where porn doesn't even have an entry point into it. So how long does it take? Well, you're going to notice when you make a decision that you're going to notice a change instantly just in how you think and view yourself and your position in the world. You're going to notice benefits at day 7, at day 14, at day 30, at day 90. You're going to notice some incredible transformative benefits if you actually stuck to the program. But it's a series of decisions. It's a series of events that lead you down this path. So you can change your life in one moment, in one day, but ultimately you have to understand that this is going to be a lifetime process of developing, building yourself to become that person that you were created to be. And that's what we help you do here at Rebuild Recovery. So if you're at the point now where you're ultimately deciding that you're ready to make a change in your life and remove pornography and step into the life that you were created to live, hit that first link in the description box right there. It's www.the7stepguide.com. This is our free book, our free guide we've written for you. It's called 7 Steps to Living Life Without Porn. Simply hit that link, take you to the website, download the ebook right away. And if you're interested in getting involved in a Reboot Your Life coaching program, in the process of downloading that book, you'll have the option to book a call with myself or somebody here on my team to talk about our program, to talk about where you're at in your current situation, and if joining a coaching program is right for you. So grab the book, book a call, but ultimately, guys, you have to commit to a life without pornography. You have to commit to a lifetime commitment of developing yourself into the person that is no longer addicted to porn. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are your first time visitor. Also, leave us a comment, like the video, let us know what you want to see in future videos as we are releasing content every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you on the other side.